everybody, welcome to our channel. Got my kids' boyfriend here today, so they're going to be playing around, so maybe I'll take some footage of that today. He has how to use a trampoline. Carolyn, jump with them.
I'm too hot. I'm dying. Oof.
Oof.
Say you're too hot?
Yeah.
You're a baby.
I'm wearing all black. What do you expect?
We'll change.
I'm wearing black and purple.
Boyable.
Where's Georgie?
I don't know. He went somewhere over the rainbow.
I got my eyes on you too.
No. Not allowed.
Where'd Robbie go? It was funny. I was like, I seen him and then he was gone.
Just popcorn.
Yeah, Georgie did that. Carolyn, move your hand. Everyone wants to see Robbie.
No. And then to vanish.
We are tearing down our wall as we speak. Right, Georgie. I'm watching SpongeBob. The wall is out. Look.
Yeah, leave them jokers.
That is cool. It's all open. Yay. That couch will eventually be gone. We're going to put a railing there. But yep. This is the addition. And more to come. Georgie, what are you doing? Huh? Are you eating the apple? Are you on your game?
Yeah, watching YouTube.
You say hi to everybody?
Wrong way.
No. I just watching.
You're watching YouTube videos?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Check on these lovebirds over here. So my house is a little dark. What are you lovebirds doing? Huh?
We're about to watch one of my favorite YouTubers,
What's that one?
Corey Extension.
Uh-huh.
You can watch him cook. Well,
They've been watching YouTube videos all day. They look tired.
no. Yeah.
It's her boyfriend Robbie. He's a nice guy. He's got his own channel. I'll leave his channel down below in the description.
That would be nice.
That would be nice. I think he's a gamer or something, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm currently working to get my videos less laggy.
Okay. Carolyn. Carolyn got this cute plant over here by Robbie's mom. It's called
And China doll.
China Doll.
And I had to water it.
Yeah, Robbie had to water it for Carolyn already because she did a no-no and didn't do it yet.
Even though
But that was nice of her, and Carolyn better take
I'm
care
not
of
a
it.
her.
I said Carolyn better take care of it.
I know, but
Did I call you a her?
yes.
I'm sorry. I get a bad habit doing that sometimes.
I think there's too many girls in this family.
Yeah, I think so too.
Even though including me, there's one
Here's,
boy.
there's a puppy.
Not including-
I'm a boy though. I'm a boy. Are you a boy? Huh? Bandit, you a boy? What do you guys think of the addition out there? It's coming together. Yay. Oh, there's Buddy. Yeah, Buddy. Buddy, sit. Buddy, come here. Buddy, sit. You guys, it's too dark in here. You guys need some light, huh? Focus. My focus is like off. There we go. Gee, what do you think, buddy? Huh? What do you think, buddy? Don't squash the puppy. Don't squash the puppy. These dogs love me to death, man. They follow me everywhere. Alright, everybody. I was supposed to upload a video yesterday, but I didn't finish it. I thought it was too short. So I'm hoping this is long enough. But I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog out. We didn't do much really. Just basically hung out at home. I got her boyfriend. And he's been here since, I think, 1 o'clock, 1:30. So I'll probably drop him off around 10. But he's a really good guy. He's really good to my daughter, so he better be that way. But anyway, yeah, the addition is getting better. My husband opened that for me. He wasn't going to open it all the way, but I told him that it would have looked terrible if he didn't open it all the way. But he did it for me, so thank you, hubby. Love you. Appreciate everything you do. But, yeah, he's wearing his hashtag on my creator shirt. I snuck that in. He probably didn't realize I recorded him. But he's shy, and yeah, he's a shy butt. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please hit that like button. I'll leave down the description below my P.O. box information, my Facebook, my photography, my Avon. I sell Avon. I haven't been buying any product from them lately to actually view it, is because it's just too much money on me right now, and I just feel like I'm spending more money on Avon than I am actually selling it. Got a hummingbird. Hold on, guys. He's up. I got a hummingbird. He's right there. Say hi. They've been going to the feeder all day. Zoom in closer. See how close I can get him. Focus. Focus on him. He is so cute. It's not focusing very well. This camera kind of sucks at times. Oh, there he goes. Off here, like I said already, probably 4 times. So I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, I'm not sure how late this video is gonna go up, but it will. So yeah, talk to you later.